How to unlock tab on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unlock tab on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser and now just click this icon here in the bottom, and now just click this one here, these 3 points, and click edit, and just select any tab you want here, and now just click. You will find it like that, and if you want to unlock it, just hold on it and then click unlock. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.